Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to use Groww app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The Groww app is a user-friendly investment platform that allows individuals to invest in stocks, mutual funds, and other financial products. It simplifies the investment process with features like easy account setup, initiative navigation, and a range of investment options. Groww offers tools to track investments, access financial news, and analyze market trends, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced investors. It aims to make investing straightforward and accessible by providing a clear and streamlined experience. When you open Groww app, you will see an interface with market indexes at the top. These indexes show if the stock market has gone up or down today. Remember, the stock market is open from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. You will see Nifty 50, which is India's top 50 companies, Bank Nifty, which includes top banking companies, and Sensex, which features India's top 30 companies. Check these indexes to see how the market is performing today. To invest, you need to deposit money into your Groww app account. Go to the profile section, check your wallet balance, click add money and enter the amount you want to deposit. You can add up to 10 crore at a time. Select your bank and make the payment through UPI. Remember, you need a PAN card or Aadhaar card to use Groww app, and money can only be added from the bank linked to the Demat account. To buy shares, click the search button to find companies. Search for the company you want to invest in. For example, if a share's price has fallen, it might be a good buying opportunity. Check the company's fundamentals, which are earnings, net worth, etc. Click buy, enter the number of shares you want, and confirm your purchase. Your money will be deducted and the shares will be added to your portfolio. To track your investments, you need to go to Holdings on the home page to see your investments. You can track how much you invested, the current value, and your returns. To sell shares, what you need to do is go to the Holdings, then click Sell next to the share you want to sell. Enter the quantity and confirm. For intraday trading, buy shares for the day. Monitor your positions and exit by clicking Exit when ready. For option trading, choose a strike price and expiry date. Buy the option and monitor its performance. Sell the option when you are ready to book profits. To withdraw your money, you need to click Withdraw in the wallet section.